guys, Gizmodo. Out on the ground today. Today was a pretty cool day. I went out for a ride with the K-Town Little Braps here in Kenosha County. And yeah, it was a blast. I never rode in a group before like that, and it was a whole lot of fun. We'll definitely be doing that again. Maybe next time I'll bring a camera. I don't know how they'll feel about that, so I don't know. I'll have to see. But when I went with them, I was running a little late, so I ended up taking the Vader because it's a lot faster bike than this. So, according to Google, it said it was going to take me 40-some minutes to get there, and I think it only took me like 30-something. So that worked out really well. I mean, I might have been fine taking this bike. I don't know, hard to say. But the way I was running late, though, I just didn't want to risk it. I didn't want to miss them again because I missed them once already. So, well, we went to a restaurant in McHenry called Epic Deli. So if you look up where Kenosha is and where McHenry is, you can see kind of like where we drove to. So it was actually a lot of fun. There was 7 of us actually, and all of them had like custom exhaust and all that. So it was kind of funny when all our exhausts would kind of get in sync. It sounded really, really weird. But it was really cool. There was one other Grom, so that's 2, and then there was 3 Z's, so that's 5. I don't remember what the other 2 were. What the hell? Maybe there was 4 Z's. I'm not sure. But there was 7 of us anyways. Well, actually, I guess there was only 1 Grom because my bike isn't actually a Grom, but oh, this is not going to be a fun trip here. Part of the problem is it's becoming Monday, so everybody's heading back from Kenosha, from Illinois, and people who are from Lake Geneva are headed back to whatever, and yeah, so we got a chance here. Yay! But yeah, I'm gonna drive to Silver Lake Park today. I'm gonna try flying my drone a little bit, so maybe you guys will get some shots of the drone. I don't know. We'll see how that works out. It'll be my first time actually flying this thing since I got it. I tried to fly it in the house, and I put a battery in. It lifted up maybe 3 feet and landed again because the battery I put in was dead. So I had to charge them all up, and I haven't touched it since. So I'm not going to fly it as high as I did last time because I don't want to lose it. I lost 1 drone already and haven't heard nothing about if it was going to be covered or not under the credit card protection or not. Who knows? Say it could take up, they told me on the phone it could take up to 60 days, but then I'm reading a paper and it says up to 90 days, so it's like, okay, which one is it? But yeah, when I was riding in the group today, these little bikes are really distracting the drivers apparently, because there was people, you know, we were going through, what do you call that, roundabout, and car was stopped, just like stopped, and other cars like honking at them, and I think the people in the car were taking a video, and then I seen other people like trying to grab their cameras and take pictures and stuff, but hopefully they were successful if that's what they were trying to do. But yeah, driving with somebody else made it so much more fun. They weren't doing any stunts or anything like that. I don't know if any of them know how to do any stunts. I'm not sure. But they had, you know, some of them had their bikes pretty well set up. They had like nice exhausts on them and stuff like that. But I don't know. I kind of want to leave mine stock. I hope if I do take this with me, I do hope if I take this bike out with them someday, I hope that I'll be able to keep up with them, because like theirs are slightly modded, so they might be able to go just slightly faster than I can. But I don't know. I'll probably try it next time. They were all really cool though. I gotta say it was really nice meeting all of them. If anybody's from around Kenosha County, look it up on Facebook, the K-Town Little Braps. You know, I mean, I'm sure they're willing to get more riders, so more people in their group. Oh yeah, that's right. There was a lady there with a scooter too, which was actually, it was a Yamaha scooter, or not a Yamaha, a Honda scooter, and it was really nice. I gotta say, I can't say nothing bad about a Honda scooter, you know, because they make really nice shit. I know if I was to drive it, I'd probably want it, so I'd probably end up trying to buy one, so good thing I didn't. I have enough toys. Time to start enjoying the ones I have. I'm thinking about buying a longboard now, though. Grommy Bear was in Chief or whatever his name is. Yeah, that's his name. They've been riding longboards lately in their videos, and I was thinking about getting one, but I wouldn't do vlogs with them because I'm a klutz and I'll be having to concentrate on riding it and not so much making videos, you know. I don't want to... Last thing I need to do is wipe out on one of those things, but I'd probably wear like my... I'd probably wear like my motorcycle gloves all the time when I'm riding it, and I'd probably wear my helmet for a little while until I get used to riding it. So, but yeah, I think that would be a fun thing to get into. And the one I'm thinking about getting is a slower one. It only does like 11 miles an hour. I don't remember the name of it right now, but I think that would be the smart thing for me to get, because I really haven't ever skateboarded before. So I think me starting out on a slow longboard would probably be smarter, and then maybe work my way up someday. Maybe to a, you know, 'cause this one's only like $175 or something like that. And they make longboards that are like thousands of dollars. So before I go out wasting that kind of money, I think I would rather, disc golf sounds fun. I think I would rather learn on something cheap in case I really don't like it, which is a high possibility. I hope there isn't too many people around here. You know, I don't want to interfere with their outings with me trying to fly a drone or hit anybody's car or anything for that matter. Oh, that shade is so nice. Oh, there's see a car there. There's not too many, so I think I'll be okay. I think we'll be just fine. Give it a shot and see what the hell happens, I guess. Maybe I should stop here in the middle. That way I got room. And we'll go from there. Alright guys, I'm going to cut that video short here. You guys will probably see a little bit on the drone footage and stuff. So I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.